Money up. Fourth generation. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ha, 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 ho, ho, ho. Up a rubber bank, up and stop there. Up a rubber bank, up and stop there. DJ Max. Up in the street, we are top there. Them a go party tonight, you just watch. Tonight you feel like spend some cash. Ha, all of the Benz just watch. If a Givenchy shoes, then the belt must match. Gucci loafers with a tough top. But no pickle thicker than a. You look from the belly with a clutch back.
So you saw the tag beauty and fitness. We're going to talk about fitness today. Getting fit doesn't have to happen only in the gym. We've got personal fitness trainer Nathaniel Cummings to show some cardio exercises that you don't need a machine for. You can do it at home. Daniel, morning.
Morning,
welcome.
sir. How you doing?
All right, so fitness. Why did you get into fitness?
Because of basketball.
Yeah.
When I was back in the States, I used to love basketball, and I was small. So my coach said, you want to be in the paint, you got to build your body up. So from there, I took on personal training because I loved the way the gym made me feel.
You were living in the Bronx,
yes,
and you've been back 14 years. What has the fitness landscape been like since then to now?
Changed dramatically. I'm seeing people just gravitate to the gym. Before it wasn't as big of a topic. Mostly athletes and people who can afford it go to the gym. Now I see everybody in the gym. Everybody want to get fit.
What about those people who don't have money to pay for a gym? You talk about at-home exercises.
There's simple stuff you can do at home that will help you. Burpees, jumping jacks, run in place, spiral lunges. There's so much stuff you can do at home that'll keep you fit and get your body up.
Yeah, and I'm sure you'll demonstrate some of those later on. But my question, you've been back 14 years, so just about.
Yes.
And what has been the biggest impact of fitness on the Jamaican people, you think?
Honestly, since track and field, you've seen both. No lie, I've seen kids that want to get fit to start running.
Why is it important to get fit?
It's a lifestyle change. It's not just about going to the gym to get fit, it's a lifestyle change. Because remember, if you can keep your body healthy, you can live longer. Because nowadays, diabetes is all kinds of diseases that's being caused by being unfit. So if you can get fit, it will help you to live longer.
So, well, it's not just fitness sometimes. What about the food?
Nutrition, yeah, that's why I said fitness, because nutrition is the main part of fitness. So if you're going to sit there and say, I'm going to the gym, you will have help in the gym, but nutrition is about nutrition first. If you're going to try and sit there, eat KFC, Burger King, all that, no, it won't help. A home-cooked meal is better.
No KFC?
I'm not saying no.
Yeah.
You can have it once in a while.
Yeah, because how do you incorporate the meals with the workouts?
All right, perfect example. Say you wake up and you want to go run. All right, I won't say do not go run into stomach. Have your coffee and tea. Go run half an hour, come back, have 3 egg whites, piece of bread. It's a meal. No, I can't do that. If you try it, don't say you can't do something, always try. Once you try, you succeed.
But how do people get motivated? Because some people who can't afford to the gym and they can do exercises at home, they don't get motivated enough. How do you motivate your clients?
I use what I've learned from past experience, because it's not easy. Fitness is the hardest thing. The hard part of fitness is starting. And I'll tell everyone, if you can find someone that will help encourage you, guide you, even strengthen you, gravitate to them.
Yeah, the hardest part of fitness, hardest part of anything is starting. How did you start?
Basketball.
Yeah?
Because I love basketball. Yeah. I love it. I love it. I'll be in my house, I'm just shooting around.
All right. Well, we are going to see some of the demos, some of the exercises that you have. So everyone at home, please, if you're sitting or in your bed, get up. We're going to show you some exercises.
All right, the first exercise I'm going to show you is burpees, all right? It's not hard, but it's not easy. Because I say burpees, plank position, all right? You would jump and then jump up.
So what part of the body does this help?
Entire body.
Entire
core,
body.
Entire core. If you're a beginner, I would say just jump in, then jump up. Don't jump out. Step out. Professionals.
So like people like me, professionals, we have to be firm and sturdy. Yeah. I'm about kinda.
You're young. Come on, man.
All right, so.
I want 10. Ready?
10? No. May I give you 3?
3?
Yeah.
Walk it out.
Walk it out?
Yeah.
No, Reggie. The pants too tight for this. Pants too close. Too close. All right, what's the next
And
exercise?
then there's step ups. You could be in your house, grab a firm chair. All right, and just 1 foot down, step.
So, where is it that people can find you? You can keep doing
Regular
it.
house chair, step.
What about you? Where do people find you to get in touch?
Ultimate Fitness. At Waterloo Road, on a crescent. Then you switch. Legal Complex.
Okay. How many reps are you recommended to do?
Beginners, I'll say start with 10 reps each leg. Everything 10. As you get stronger, increase the reps.
So 10, 10, and keep increasing. So what's the next exercise that you can do at home? And I know burpees is tough enough. Step ups.
It's not that tough. Then you got jumping jacks, something easy. Ready? Feet apart or close. Then jump. Back in. Posture.
What is the importance of cardio?
Cardio?
Yeah.
Keep the heart rate going. Once the heart rate is above normal, you're going to burn calories even at rest. You want to keep the heart rate above, say, about 160 beats per minute.
Yeah, so how much cardio is recommended? Like
Per day?
Yeah.
Half an hour.
Half hour per day?
The best time to do cardio is in the morning time.
Why?
When you wake up.
Why?
You're going from a sleep period to an active period. So your body won't know the difference. So once you get up and start walking, it could be a light walk.
Yeah, but you said don't work out on empty stomach. When I
You
wake
have your
up,
tea.
I want food first. What about those who want to eat first?
I would say have your coffee, have your tea, have a fruit, and then go for your walk. Because you want to burn, you want to break that fast. Because your body, even though you're sleeping, you're working. So once you wake up, you want to break that fast.
That's why I look at Sakina because, she probably needs to do some cardio. Yeah?
No cardio.
mix it with your diet, your new routine.
See you and her.
Yeah. But
once you wake up, you want to break that fast. Once you break that fast, all right, wake up at 6 o'clock, your first meal should be within a half an hour of that breaking up period. All right? Then you can say you go jogging. When you come back, have a healthy breakfast, whatever you want.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Well, there you heard it. Personal fitness trainer Nathaniel Cummings just showed us some exercises you can do at home. So send us some videos of you doing these exercises at home. Our second video pick of the week comes from Jesse Royal, and it's Blowing in the Wind.